Hello everybody, today in this video I'll show you how to easily add someone on Snapchat without it saying that it was by search, so let's jump right into it. First go ahead and open Snapchat and then tap on the search icon in the top right here. From here just search for the person that you want to add by typing their username. Let's say we were looking for Chloe. When you find her you can maybe tap here to add her, or open their profile and tap on add right here, but it will be said in their notification that it was by search. Now to prevent that, you can tap on the three dots in the top right corner, tap on send profile to, and then tap on the search box in the top and search for your own username. We're going to be sending this profile to ourselves. Tap on your profile and tap on send right here. From here open the conversation with yourself, and you can add them from here and they will not be notified that it was by search. It will be just shown the username, and that's how we do it, guys. I hope this video was helpful. Please like and comment down below. Don't forget to subscribe for future videos like this one, and thank you very much for watching.